Hey, and thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for Kalkine Media. Let's zoom into some of the most actively traded Canadian stocks of 2021. Number 1, Royal Bank of Canada. The bank recorded a year-over-year surge in net income of 40% to 16.1 billion Canadian dollars in the fourth quarter of the fiscal 21. It's also set to pay a quarterly dividend of 1.20 apiece on February 24 next year, up from the previous dividend payment of 1.08. Number 2, Toronto Dominion Bank. The bank reported a net income of 3.78 billion in the fourth quarter of financial year 21, down from 5.14 billion in the same quarter a year ago. The bank is scheduled for a quarterly dividend repayment of 0.99 apiece on January 31, 2022, up from 0.79 apiece delivered in the previous quarter. And number 3 on our list is Enbridge Incorporated. The NG stock achieved a 52-week high of 54 Canadian on the 5th of November. The midstream energy company recorded adjusted earnings of 1.2 billion in the third quarter of financial year 21, up from 1 billion a year ago. It also increased the quarterly dividend payment of 0.835 to 0.86 apiece, and that is scheduled for March of next year. And number 4 is Bank of Nova Scotia. BNS posted a net income of 2.55 billion Canadian in the fourth quarter, up from 1.89 billion in the same quarter a year ago. The bank also declared an increased quarterly dividend of $1 apiece, payable on January 27. Number 5 is Bank of Montreal. BMO's net income grew by 36% year on year to 2.15 billion in the fourth quarter of fiscal 21. It also increased its quarterly dividend payment of 1.06 apiece to 1.33 apiece, payable on February next year. And that concludes our list. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other news to boost your financial IQ and stay up to date. This has been Holly Shields for Kalkine Media.